So they've outgrown it. But I guess it's a testimonial that 2 people can live in them if need be. They haven't gone crazy yet. I guess 3 people can live here if you count Charlie. 2.5 maybe.
But this is not a bad view. This is a good view.
Yeah, this unit, when these sold, there were 6 BMRs total, and there was an initial lottery that the city supervised from the developer. 100 of us put our names in the hat, and the person that got first pick took this one. And I would have taken it. I had second pick. But I thought second choice was the other one because it was 3rd floor. These are the only 2 that are 3rd floor. And this is the only one with a view. This one I have sold twice before, and it always sells quickly. This is the only time it hasn't sold quickly. So the other 2 times I had usually 2 or 3 offers, and it went pretty easily.
I'm pretty sure that we'll be right. I'm pretty sure after.
But are you looking for a BMR? Yeah. And you're thinking BMR?
Oh, yeah, this is a BMR. It will always be a BMR. Yeah, that won't change.
It will always have to be a BMR.